General Motors and Cadillac are all set to conquer the EV market in the near future. The company had recently announced its mammoth $27 billion worth of investment plans concerning its electric future. GM plans to deploy nearly 30 all-new electric vehicles by 2025, and the Cadillac Lyriq is the first in the lineup. The Michigan-based automotive manufacturing company has indeed done a fine job by kickstarting its huge campaign with the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. Hello and welcome to Lyriq Media. We endeavor to keep you informed of the most recent information and breaking news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other upcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So if you're a fan or owner of an electric vehicle, this channel is for you. We work as a family, listening to your suggestions in the comments area and providing all of the videos you need to stay current in the EV field. Please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here to stay up to speed on our latest content. Thank you kindly. Let's get started. This electric SUV comes with all modern features and is married to GM's unique technology. The arrival of the Lyriq is surely a beacon of GM's impending EV market dominance. However, with other big EV players from Germany, Japan, and Korea, it won't be a walk in the park. Moreover, GM also has to face a worthy rival on its home turf in the form of Tesla and its offerings. Coming back to the Cadillac Lyriq, this electric SUV has garnered attention over and beyond expectations from EV lovers across age groups and demographics. And here's everything you might want to know about the Cadillac Lyriq. The Lyriq is based on GM's Ultium battery and platform. The Cadillac Lyriq is a game changer in the world of electric vehicles, and one of the key reasons for this is its use of the new Ultium battery and platform. This cutting-edge technology is GM's own discovery and offers incredible performance, range, and efficiency that will take your driving experience to the next level. The Ultium battery is capable of delivering up to an estimated 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque in the 2023 Lyriq rear-wheel drive model. The combination of Ultium battery technology and platform makes the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq not only powerful, but also highly efficient and cost-effective compared to other luxury EVs on the market today. Undercuts its rivals in terms of pricing. The Cadillac Lyriq's entry into the EV market has sparked a rivalry with other big players. Pitted against the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV, Audi e-tron, and Tesla Model X, Lyriq has its own set of advantages, and pricing has to be the strongest. The Cadillac Lyriq's price starts at $57,195 and goes up to $61,795. When you compare this to Mercedes-Benz's EQS SUV starting at $104,400 or the Audi e-tron Prestige Quattro trim's $62,900, there is absolutely no doubt that Lyriq has the edge. Even the Tesla Model X is priced high at $98,490. This can go up to $108,490. In short, if you're in the market for a luxury electric SUV that won't break the bank but still delivers top-of-the-line performance and convenience features, then look no further than Cadillac's latest creation. It offers an impressive range. The Cadillac Lyriq is an all-electric SUV that has been making waves in the automotive industry. One of its standout features is its supreme range, which surpasses that of many other electric vehicles in its class. With a driving range of over 308 miles on a single charge, the Lyriq puts to rest any concerns about electric vehicle range anxiety. It is perfect for long road trips and daily commutes alike. The range comes down a bit to 307 miles in the AWD variant. Cadillac achieved this impressive range by incorporating advanced battery technology that allows for faster charging times and longer-lasting power. The brand also took into consideration real-world driving conditions when designing the Lyriq's powertrain system, ensuring it can handle various terrains and weather conditions with ease. Not only does this superior range make the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq practical for everyday use, but it also positions it as a leader in the EV market. Additionally, DC fast charging can add up to 77 miles of range with just 10 minutes of charging. There's a massive 33-inch single-piece instrument cluster. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq is a modern electric SUV that comes equipped with a massive 33-inch single-piece instrument cluster. This feature is one of the most striking aspects of the vehicle's interior design, as it provides an unparalleled level of detail and clarity for drivers. The one-of-a-kind instrument cluster offers various customizable configurations, allowing drivers to access important information at their fingertips. It can display anything from navigation directions to climate control settings, all in high resolution and vivid colors. Moreover, this large screen adds more convenience to driving by providing real-time updates on battery levels and charging status. Drivers no longer need to take their eyes off the road or fumble through multiple screens just to check these details. In addition, the size of this display makes it easier for passengers in the back seat to view important information as well. This impressive technology showcases Cadillac's commitment to delivering innovative features that enhance both the performance and comfort of its vehicles. The Lyriq comes with innovative noise cancellation technology. One of the most exciting modern features that the Cadillac Lyriq boasts is its advanced noise cancellation technology. We all know for a fact that noise reduction comes with EVs due to the absence of revving ice under the hood. However, Cadillac has taken this a notch higher with this innovative technology. The Cadillac Lyriq can detect unwanted sounds from outside and cancel them out using strategically placed microphones and speakers throughout the car's interior. The acoustic laminated glass adds to the tranquility indoors. This feature ensures a quiet and peaceful ride for all passengers, making it perfect for long journeys. Abundant interior features and comfort. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Luxury is not just a sleek-looking electric SUV, it also boasts an interior that is packed with features designed for comfort and convenience. From the luxurious leather seats to the advanced infotainment system, this vehicle truly has it all. The spacious cabin provides plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials that feel soft to the touch while providing excellent support during long drives. As discussed earlier, one of the standout features of the Cadillac Lyriq's interior is its state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 33-inch screen. Having access to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which allows seamless integration with your smartphone, is another bliss that comes with this SUV. There are a plethora of other interior features and amenities, but the one worth mentioning is the ambient lighting option. One can select from a wide variety of colors from the given spectrum in the wide instrument cluster and light up the interior within a jiffy too vividly. The Lyriq Cadillac has a striking appearance. Rent color Cadillac Lyriq Cadillac. The Lyriq Cadillac is impressive not only in terms of performance, but also in terms of its striking appearance. The eSUV's design is a combination of futuristic and classic elements, making it stand out from other electric SUVs on the market. One aspect that makes the Lyriq visually appealing is its sleek and aerodynamic body shape. The SUV's smooth curves and sharp angles give it an elegant yet aggressive look, perfectly juxtaposing luxury with power. Not to forget the front grille, which features a unique lighting element that illuminates during charging or unlocking. This adds to the overall sophistication of the vehicle while providing a distinct visual cue for owners. The 20-inch split 6-spoke alloy wheels add to the aggression. A runaway success that probably even Cadillac didn't expect. The Cadillac Lyriq rolled out into the market with a boom. It has proven to be a highly popular electric SUV, as evidenced by its sellout within 10 minutes of release. The impressive performance specs and a highly impressive range make this vehicle so desirable among car enthusiasts. But the appeal of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq's luxury doesn't stop at performance alone. It also boasts luxurious interior features and a striking appearance. All this is for a price tag that is totally reasonable and much lower than its competitors. It's worth noting that while there are plenty of other electric SUV options on the market today, few have garnered such immediate interest from consumers as the Cadillac Lyriq. Not so generous cargo space. With a horde of positive aspects, the Lyriq Cadillac has all the elements to be your go-to electric SUV. However, one major downside to the Cadillac Lyriq is its cargo space. The Lyriq has an average cargo space of 28 cubic feet behind its rear seats and 60.8 cubic feet with these seats folded. Concerning an SUV, this is just substandard. So if you're looking for ample storage room, this might not be the right SUV for you. On the other hand, if you are willing to look at the positive sides of this SUV as opposed to the cargo space, then the decision-making might not seem so difficult. A dual-motor option with roughly 500 horses. The R2DD Cadillac Lyriq sold out in a jiffy. Riding on the same belief, Cadillac will be launching the dual-motor Lyriq soon. This new variant will have a second motor for the front wheels, making it an all-wheel drive electric vehicle with roughly 500 horses and 450 pound-feet of torque. This addition makes the Cadillac Lyriq even more versatile and capable of handling different terrains and weather conditions. The second motor also enhances performance by improving acceleration, traction, and stability. This new feature is, however, expected to bring down the range as compared to the RWD's 308 miles. With two motors working together in synergy, energy efficiency is improved, resulting in longer driving distances without compromising power output. Thank you for watching this video on Lyriq Media, your go-to source for all things electric from Cadillac. We hope that you found this content informative and engaging, and that it has helped to broaden your understanding of the rapidly evolving world of electric transportation. As always, we are committed to bringing you the latest news, insights, and analysis from the forefront of the EV industry. Whether you're looking for information on the latest electric car models, updates on industry trends, or tips on how to maximize your EV ownership experience, Lyriq Media is here to help. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please feel free to leave us a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.